Let's talk about digital marketing channels. What are digital marketing channels? Digital marketing channels are the various online platforms and tools businesses use to reach, engage, and convert their target audiences. Each channel serves a different purpose, and when used strategically, they help build brand awareness, drive traffic, generate leads, and boost sales. These channels allow businesses to connect with customers at different stages of the buying journey, from awareness and consideration to decision and loyalty. Common digital channels include search engine optimization, that's SEO, to improve organic visibility, pay per click PPC advertising for immediate traffic, social media marketing to engage audiences and foster community, content marketing to provide value and educate customers, email marketing for personalized communication, affiliate marketing to leverage third-party promotions, influencer marketing to tap into trusted voices, mobile marketing to reach users on smartphones and tablets, video marketing to create engaging visual storytelling, and display advertising to maintain brand presence across websites and apps. When combined effectively, these channels create an integrated strategy that maximize reach and impact. Thank you. We'll meet on the next one.